Helps people? What do you mean by that? How can a jacket help someone?
This is no ordinary jacket, Leo. It has a special magic.
Magic, really?
Indeed.
I feel very tired today. Nothing feels right anymore. I do not know what to do now.
This shop looks very old. I have never seen it before. Something feels strange here.
There are so many old things here. Every item feels like a story. I feel curious inside.
This jacket looks very special. Why do I feel something strange about it? It feels warm and calm. This is very strange. I feel safe when I touch it.
That jacket is very old. It helps people sometimes. Only if they truly listen.
I understand. I'll listen.
Helps people? What do you mean by that? How can a jacket help someone?
This is no ordinary jacket, Leo. It has a special magic.
Magic, really?
I do
Indeed.
not understand this feeling, but it feels very calm. I think I like this. I feel different now. My mind feels quiet. Something inside me feels clear.
I feel like I should go left, but I do not know why. This is very strange.
Maybe I should trust this feeling. It does not feel wrong. I will follow it now.
Oh no, he needs help right now. I should go and help him quickly. Sir, please let me help you. These bags look very heavy. You should not carry them alone.
Thank you, young boy. You are very kind today. Not many people stop to help now.
I do not know why I came here, but I feel this was the right thing. It feels good inside.
This is my home. You helped me a lot today. I feel very thankful to you.
I am happy to help you today. It made me feel calm and strong. I hope you rest well. This jacket is very strange. It feels like it is guiding me. I do not understand how. I feel something again. It is like a soft whisper. What is trying to guide me now?
This place looks a little dark, but I feel I should go there. I will move slowly.
Oh no, the cat is trapped here. It looks very scared. I need to help it now.
You are very sweet. I am glad I came here. This feels very special to me.
Do not be afraid, little cat. You are safe now. You can go anywhere you want.
I think I understand now. This jacket is helping me do good things. It feels right inside.
Today feels very different. I feel more clear and strong. I want to help more people.
He looks very sad right now. Something is wrong there. I should go and check quickly.
Do not worry. I am here with you. Tell me what happened. Maybe I can help you.
I think I can fix this problem. Please wait for a moment. It will work again soon.
It is working now. You can ride again safely. Please be careful next time.
Thank you so much, Leo. You helped me today. I feel very happy because of you.
You're welcome. I'm glad you're happy.
I understand everything now. The real magic is kindness. When I help others, I feel complete.
Kindness is the real magic. Helping others makes life beautiful. Choose good actions every day. That is how we grow strong.